Hi, this is the first video of the hardest SAT math question series. So let's get started. Question number 1. In the xy plane, the point P, R lies on the line with the equation y equals x plus b, where b is a constant. The point with the coordinates 2p, 5r lies on the line with the equation y equals 2x plus b. If p not equals 0, what is the value of r over p? At first, this seems like a geometric question since it talks about line, planes, and points. However, despite its appearance, the question is truly an algebraic one. The secret is realizing P and R don't need to be solved separately. We only have to figure out R over P. The points themselves, P, R and 2P, 5R represent X and Y values on the line itself. For example, if P equals 4 and R equals 6, then that's the same thing as an x coordinate of 4 and y coordinate of 6. Plug P and R points for the x and y values in both the equations. So y equals x plus b becomes r equals p plus b. Now taking the second equation, y equals 2x plus b becomes 5r equals 2 times 2p plus b. So this will simplify to 5r equals 4p plus b. Now set both the equations equal to b. So the first equation would become b equals r minus p. And the second equation would become b equals 5r minus 4p. Since b equals b, so this would become r minus p equals 5r minus 4p. Now, minus p plus 4p equals 5r. Now, minus p plus 4p equals 5r minus r. Minus p plus 4p equals 3p and 5r minus r equals 4r. Now we need the value of r divided by p. So, our final equation would become 3 over 4 equals r divided by p. So B is our answer. Question number 2. If 3x minus y equals 12, what is the value of 8 power x divided by 2 power y? We can express this 8 as 2 power 3. So we have the same basis in the numerator and the denominator. So 8 power x divided by 2 power y will become 2 power 3 bracket power x divided by 2 power y. Now the power inside the bracket and the power outside the bracket will multiply. So this can be rewritten as 2 power 3x divided by 2 power y. Now the numerator and the denominator have the same basis. So this expression can be rewritten as 2 power 3x minus y. Since 3x minus y equals 12, so we can substitute 12 for the exponent 3x minus y. So this will become 2 power 12. So 8 power x divided by 2 power y is same as 2 power 12. So A is our answer. Question number 3. A circle of radius 10 centimeters is inscribed in a regular pentagon. What is the length of one side of the pentagon in centimeters? Round to the nearest tenth. The question is a bit difficult since it lacks visuals. So first begin by drawing a quick diagram of the polygon with a circle having radius of 10 centimeters. We may construct a right triangle with radius half the pentagon side and a hypotenuse joining from pentagon's center to the corner. Now we can find the sum of interior angles of the pentagon by the formula n minus 2 times 180. So the sum of interior angles would be 5 minus 2 times 180. Here n equals 5 since pentagon has 5 sides. So this will become 3 multiplied by 180, that is 540. Now a single interior angle would equal 540 divided by number of sides, that is 5. So one interior angle equals 108 degrees. So this angle right here is 108 degrees. Since this hypotenuse divides 108 degrees, so the angle inside the triangle would be 108 divided by 2, that is 54 degrees. Now we have a right angle triangle with this side 10 centimeters and the angle right here is 54 degrees and this length x here is half of the side of the pentagon. So we'll use the tan function to find out this length x and eventually the length of the side of the pentagon. So tan 54 equals 10 divided by x. So x would be 10 divided by tan 54 degrees. The length of the side of the pentagon would be twice the x. So 2x would be 2 times 10 divided by 1054. So 2 times 10 divided by 1054 would be 14.5 centimeters. So C is our answer. Question number 4. Which expression is equivalent to y power 1 over 8 times y power 3 over 4 whole power 3 over 2? So start by multiplying the exponents in y power 3 over 4 whole power 3 over 2. So this part will become y power 3 over 4 times 3 over 2. That is y power 9 over 8. So this whole term will become y power 1 over 8 times y power 9 over 8. When same bases multiply, their powers are added. So you will get y power 1 over 8 plus 9 over 8. That is y power 5 over 4. According to fractional law of indices, this term will become 4th root of y power 5. So A is our answer. Question number 5. Triangle ABC and triangle DEF each have two angles measuring 35 degrees as shown. Which of the following additional pieces of information is sufficient to prove that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF? Two triangles are said to be congruent if all three corresponding sides are equal and all three corresponding angles are also equal in measure. So we have the triangles ABC and DFE. When two angles are 35 degrees, so the third angle must be 110 degrees. Because angle measures always adds up to 180. Option A says that ACB and DFE are equal, which is not the case. So option is incorrect. When deciding between answer choice B and answer choice C, you simply have to decide which sides are corresponding. The answer to the question is B, since BC and EF are corresponding sides. So if BC and EF are equal, so the triangles will fulfill angle side theorem. Angle, and side. Hope you like this video. Make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.